Hey, resin lovers! Ever wanted to capture that perfect Christmas magic in something that lasts forever? Today I'm going to show you how to create this absolutely adorable Christmas tree resin decoration that will have everyone asking, "Wait, you made that?" Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're getting festive with a super fun Christmas project, and it all starts with this gorgeous Christmas tree inlay. Now, I know it might just look like a plain shape right now, but trust me, we're about to transform it into something truly magical. First up, I'm going to show you how I used some shimmery mica powders to give this inlay the most beautiful, vibrant green color. You're going to love watching the details pop as we work. Once we have our tree all colored and ready, then the real fun begins. I can't wait to show you how we'll add those sweet little holiday touches, from the Santa topper to the mini presents at the base. This is the kind of project that's going to have everyone asking where you got it. So grab your resin and get ready to create some Christmas magic with me. I promise this is going to be a project you'll want to make again and again. Just a quick heads up, don't forget to mark your calendars, crafty friends. I upload new videos every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. That's 3 chances each week to get your creative inspiration fix. And honestly, I never quite know what I'll be creating next. My mind tends to wander down all sorts of creative paths, which means my content is always fresh and unexpected. One day we might be making resin trinket boxes, the next day ornaments, platters, or coasters, or even something completely different that caught my imagination. That's the fun part of this creative journey. Even I'm sometimes surprised by where my creativity takes me. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on whatever crafty adventure we embark on next. Now that our Christmas tree inlay is all colored and I've placed it into the mold, it's time to add those little presents underneath. But I'm having a bit of trouble keeping the package ties looking neat and tidy at the top. So I've had to get a little creative and use a touch of glue to help hold everything in place. And I've even added a pearl on top of the silver package to really secure those ties down. Sometimes you have to improvise a bit when working with resin, but the important thing is that we're getting those finishing details just right. Those presents are going to look so adorable nestled under our beautiful Christmas tree. Hey, crafty friends! I'm so excited to share something special with you today. Did you know you can actually take home some of the amazing resin creations you see in my videos? That's right. I have an eBay store where I sell my handcrafted resin items that make absolutely perfect gifts for the holidays or any special occasion. But wait, there's more. For my fellow resin enthusiasts, I also offer my custom silicone inlays, the very same ones you've seen me use to create those stunning designs in my tutorials. These inlays are game changers for your resin projects, helping you create professional-looking results every time. Whether you're looking for a unique handmade gift for someone special or wanting to level up your own resin crafting, just head over to my eBay store. The link is in the description below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep these tutorials coming. Happy crafting, everyone! All right, now that we have our presents all neatly tucked under the Christmas tree inlay, it's time to move on to the resin pour. But since this is such a deep mold, I'm going to be using a special type of resin today, a low viscosity, deep pour resin. This resin is super thin and fluid, which means it's going to take a little longer to fully cure compared to regular resin. In fact, I actually let this piece sit for a full 24 hours before even putting it on the heat mat, just to make sure it had plenty of time to start setting up properly. The benefit of using this deep pour resin is that it's going to fill in all the nooks and crannies of the mold, giving us a beautifully clear, bubble-free finish. But the downside is that the extended curing time can be a bit tricky to work with. In fact, I did run into a little issue with the red color from one of the presents bleeding into the resin on one side of the decoration. So I just wanted to give you all a heads up that vibrant colors like that can sometimes cause discoloration when using resin. But even with that little hiccup, I think this piece is still going to turn out absolutely stunning. Now, let's go ahead and get this resin poured in and start adding some of those festive finishing touches. I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Hey there, amazing crafty friends. I'm super excited to share some wonderful news with you today. I've officially been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. What does this mean? Well, it's a huge milestone that recognizes all the hard work, creativity, and passion I've poured into this channel. It means I can now earn a small income from the ads that appear on my videos, which helps support the channel and allows me to invest in new materials, better equipment, and ultimately create even better content for you. But that's not all. I also have some exclusive perks for my wonderful YouTube channel members. By joining my channel, you'll get to watch new videos before anyone else, and you'll even get access to special behind-the-scenes content that's just for members. And of course, I've also added the YouTube Super Thanks feature, which allows you to show your support for the channel with a monetary donation. Any contributions, big or small, are so incredibly appreciated and will go directly towards helping me create more of the crafty tutorials you love. Your support, whether through watching, commenting, liking, joining, or super thanks, has made this journey possible. I cannot thank you enough for being part of this creative community. Every single one of you has played a part in helping me reach this milestone, and I promise to keep bringing you fresh, inspiring content that sparks your imagination. So if you feel inspired to join the channel or show a little extra love, look for those join and super thanks buttons below the video. But most importantly, just keep being the amazing, supportive audience that you are. Here's to many more creative adventures ahead. Now it's time to add that second layer of resin. And this time, I've decided to mix in some crushed crystal. This is going to be the top layer of the Christmas tree decoration, so I want it to have a really beautiful, sparkling effect. By incorporating the crushed crystal directly into the resin before pouring, I'll get an even distribution of that lovely shimmer throughout the whole piece. It's going to catch the light so nicely and really elevate the elegance of this holiday project. Even though I did have a bit of color bleed from that red package earlier, I'm confident this final resin layer is going to pull the whole design together seamlessly. The added crystal is going to transform this Christmas tree inlay into a truly dazzling decoration. I'm excited to see how this second pour turns out. The crushed crystal technique is going to take this project to the next level, and I can't wait for you all to see the stunning final result. All right, let's take a look at how this Christmas tree inlay project turned out after removing it from the mold. As you can see, the resin work has come out beautifully. The details are so crisp and clear. Now the next step is to carefully lift out that inlay piece we placed in the mold before pouring the resin. Remember, the inlay is made of silicone rubber, and it creates a detailed imprint or impression in the resin once removed. This inlay technique is a really clever way to add intricate designs to your resin projects without having to do all that complex work yourself. Just place the pre-made inlay into the mold, pour the resin over top, and then lift it out once cured. I can see there's a bit of resin that's seeped behind the inlay, so I'll need to take my time and slowly break that away to preserve the beautiful tree shape. But with a little patience, we should be able to reveal that lovely imprint left behind. Once the inlay is out, you can then color in or fill that imprint with additional resin to complete the Christmas tree design. And don't forget, we also added that sparkling crushed crystal on top, so this is going to be a truly dazzling holiday decoration. All right, let's keep going and see the final result of this inlay project come together. And there we have it, crafty friends. Look at our beautiful Christmas decoration. The imprint from the inlay came out absolutely amazing. Now, as I mentioned, I take great pride in handcrafting each and every one of my inlay designs, and you'll find an ever-expanding collection available in my eBay shop. So be sure to stop by regularly, as I'm constantly dreaming up new and exciting inlay creations to share with all of you. Thank you all so much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate you taking the time to craft alongside me today. If you've thoroughly enjoyed following along with this festive tutorial, I do hope you'll take a moment to show your support by clicking that like button. And if you're hungry for even more creative inspiration, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. I can't wait to have you join me again next time, here on the same crafty channel, at the same crafty time. Happy crafting!